here are some quick tips in Excel for you. For example, Excel can, figure out logic. So for example, I pull here and I tell him, click here, and I use flash fill, and it automatically does this for me. So flash fill is pretty good. This next step will show you how to move rows fast. For example, I want to move this row. I just select this row, then hold the shift button, and I just pull. See, the mouse changes like this green one, and then I just let go and it automatically moved the row. The next step here is how we transpose this. For example, I don't want it in this format, I want it landscape, for example. So I go here, equals, and then I write transpose, and then he will ask me the array. So this one I want to transpose it, and then I close it and I hit enter. So then I got, instead of these on rows, I got these values in columns, which I found pretty useful from time to time. One of the greatest tips that I've ever gotten is to use the Format Painter using double click. What's the problem with the Format Painter? So if I want to change a format and I just only clicked it once and I click here, it goes away, but I need to maybe change 5 cells. And then you double click it, and then you can go like this. And this will actually save your life. Now, if I want to see if I have here duplicates, we can do one of the best tips that you're going to receive in your life, and that is use ChatGPT to figure this out for you. So how do we do this? So for example, I have a prompt here, and I tell ChatGPT to look in cell C if I have duplicates here, and I want them to mark those duplicates with orange color. So he writes me this code, and bear in mind, I have no clue of, Visual Basic in Excel. So I don't know. And the good thing that you can also learn what he does, because he writes you what he does and why he does it. Okay, so I copy this code, and then I go here. You need to go to Customize Ribbon, because you need to activate the Developer tab. And you activate the Developer tab, you can go here, and you go to Visual Basic. And then you paste this code in, and then you go close. Now, after you done this code, you can go here to Macros, and then you select your code, and then go run. And now he selected here. This tip also includes some basic troubleshooting in ChatGPT. So if the code doesn't work, or it doesn't work as the way it should, for example, the colors were marked in black, and I wrote him, hey dude, this is marked with black, can you revise the code? And he revised the code. And now I run the macro again, run. And now, look, magic happened. It automatically marked these, as I told him, in orange, the ones where they were duplicates, okay? So if you like my tips and tricks video, please hit the like button on this video and subscribe to my channel.